Hey, and welcome to Voice. My name is Kim, and I'll be guiding you through our DIY tutorial, What is a dial plan? A dial plan is where you specify what happens when somebody calls your business number. This is an example of a basic dial plan. You specify from top down which steps you want the incoming call to follow. Before I show you how to configure a dial plan, it's important to note that not all the functions you might need will be available in these drop-downs by default. Certain functions will need to be configured first under admin, things like, for instance, a call group, or maybe I can just show you an example here, say an IVR. You must firstly make sure that it's configured over here before those functions will be available in the drop-down menus within your dial plan. Okay, so let's get going. To add a dial plan for a number that doesn't currently have one, we're going to click on Add Routing. Freedom will give you suggestions for phone numbers that aren't currently on a dial plan. I'll just choose the first number over here, and this will act as our main number. So I'll put main number in the description for easy reference, and we move to step 2. So what I want for our main phone number is I want it to firstly ring on one extension, then I want it to ring on all available extensions, and as a final step, if nobody's answered, I want it to end up going to voicemail. So the first step is to set up that extension we want to ring, and it's called a VoIP account. So we've got to select VoIP account. And next, I need to go ahead and specify which extension this is. So I'm going to edit that. We want John to be first in line when the phone rings. So I'm going to select John's extension, and we can make it ring for, say, 15 seconds. That should do. Cool. Save. And then we've got to add our next step. If John's phone doesn't get answered within 15 seconds, we want more phones to ring. So I'm going to select a call group over here. Call groups allow you to group extensions and or cell phones to ring together. And I've already set one up earlier, and it's called sales. So I'm going to select my sales group here. And that can ring for 20 seconds. I'm happy with that. I just want to quickly expand the sales group so you can see who all is in there. And that's John and Jack. Now, if they also don't answer, as a final step, we, of course, want to have the call go to voicemail. So I'm going to select voicemail, and I'm going to select my general voicemail box, which I set up earlier, and save. There we go. Incoming calls will now ring John's phone for 15 seconds, then ring the sales group for 20 seconds, and if nobody answers, the call will finally go to voicemail. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully that was helpful. Please contact us if you have any questions. We're always happy to help.